Hey guys, what's going on? So today I just decided to hop into my Mustang and do a quick point of view drive video of my car with the CORSA exhaust. I know a lot of you guys have been waiting for this video, so sorry for taking so long. I just want to do like a quick point of view sound test to see if you guys can hear it and see what you guys think and opinions on the exhaust. This is the first car with this exhaust, so please let me know what you guys think in the description below. I am going to have more details on when this exhaust is available soon, so if you haven't already, please like and subscribe and follow my channel for more updates. I do have a lot of plans coming for this car, so stay tuned for those changes. They're coming relatively soon, within the next month or so. So if you guys want to follow the build, make sure you go ahead and hit the subscribe button. But on that note, I'm going to switch over my exhaust to, I'm going to put on sport mode. In fact, take that back. I'm going to put it on track mode so you guys can actually hear it and make it, you know, as loud as possible. And from now on, it's just going to be me driving the car, and let me know what you guys think. I think I'm gonna do a little pull for you guys over here. And that wasn't even pushing the car all the way. Definitely not bad at all. don't know if you guys can hear this, but it makes very little highway noise, even on track mode. Only really gets extremely loud if you're like on it, but if you're just cruising around the highway, it's perfectly fine. But what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put it on quiet mode right now, so you guys can hear how it sounds like on quiet mode. And it's pretty unbelievable because it sounds like you're not even in a Mustang. It sounds almost, you know, like any economy car. You guys will hear for yourself. Yep, and someone just got pulled over there. That's funny. So right now I'm in 6th gear on quiet mode, and the only thing you can honestly hear is the noise from the tires. But other than that, you barely hear the engine and you can barely hear the exhaust. As of right now, I don't have an intake or anything like that inside the engine, so maybe with an intake in there, the engine might be a little bit louder. But as of right now, no intake, so all I have is it on quiet mode, and it's pretty much, it's unbelievable how quiet it gets for a Mustang. And if you're into quiet mode, this is really good for, you know, if you have passengers who don't like the sound, or if you're going on a long road trip and you don't want to keep hearing your exhaust drone, you can just put it on quiet mode and call it a day. But if you're a true, I want to say, Mustang enthusiast and you like the sound of the V8, obviously you're going to have it open up. So let me open it back up for you guys and go from there. Looks like there was an accident or something up here. Interesting. Yep, and here it is. Huge accident. Oh. 3 cars. I'm just shifting very short. Don't want the attention of cops. Alright guys, just made it over to my destination. I hope you liked the video. Sorry it took so long to come out, but here it is now. So hope you guys like and enjoy, and if you guys did like the video, please subscribe down below and like my videos. It honestly means a lot to me, and it means that you guys like to see my content. So yeah, if you guys want to see future content from me, just make sure you smash the subscribe button below, and I'll see you guys next time.